Hello, yet again, it is Darren from Investor Income. Welcome back to the channel. I am doing a bit of a YouTube blitz at the minute because I've been so crap with my videos. I do apologise for that. But yeah, I just haven't done enough recently. I'm setting up a trading group if anyone's interested. Email me, or if you've just got any questions about how I trade or whatever. I'm trying to help genuine people to trade, and we are looking at the euro dollar here, and I've got a question asking about Nadex Spreads and whether you can use those to trade this system. Yes, you can. And also I'm trying to answer several questions in one video. Some people don't like swing trading reversals, and asking about whether you can trade pullbacks, and also asking about Fibonacci and all this sort of stuff. But let's keep it simple. You can trade. I don't do Fibonacci or any of that. I just use my simple system and I just trade it over and over again. You can trade pullbacks on this system, of course you can, using it in conjunction with other factors. You can see we've got the other indicators back on the chart at the minute, just to provide some structure. And I'm just going to go through the crap pair that is euro dollar. I don't particularly like it, but I do trade it now and again, but I just don't find you get the returns on it that some people love it. I'm not one of those, but I will dip my toes in if there's cash to be made, obviously. But there we go. Kommen Sie bitte und let's look at trading the euro dollar. That's a bit of German. Right. Okay, so we've got overbought here. I wanted you to look. We always look for where we fail. That's why I've got with this system is you concentrate on your failures. So I look for failures in the system, and then I rationalize how that's happened and what we can do to mitigate those losses. So I look at deviation. So I look for deviation for the averages. So here you could say we've got some. It's not great, to be honest. I don't like that. I certainly wouldn't take a very large trade on that with that amount of deviation. It's flat as hell. The market has been doing nothing. It's in between two price points, going nowhere. It's touched those points numerous times, both sides. So crap market is my analysis of that. And you can, you trade the reversal. Now you got a little reversal here. It comes down, does nothing, and then comes back up and touches again. And then you've got multiple hits again. Now, from my experience, that's not a good sign. I'd probably just close it out if I ever took that, which I wouldn't have taken this trade. I hope I wouldn't anyway, but who knows. If you did take the trade, as soon as you get that kind of price action, not doing much, and then we come back up, that's not good. That's not a good sign. So if you don't close it out, you held on to it if you did that. And I've just put 3 markers in here where I would take trades. So I'll take one here, take one here, and take one here. I'll give a bit of flex. I'm not saying I'm entering at the peak here. I'm giving myself a bit of realism about it, that you don't get the exact perfect entry every time. So you can see the moving averages, they move apart, and then we know there's going to be some kind of reversal coming, or highly likely there'll be a reversal coming, and then they start contracting as they go to cross. So at this stage here, it's early as the morning, I will be sleeping. But I would automatically set this for a break even, or maybe a slight loss. I might take a slight loss on that one, to be honest, if I was asleep. So I might set the take loss there, just to cancel this one out maybe, and let this one run in for profit if I was sleeping. However, if you set it down here, both of these will come into profit quite easily, and you can see then the price moves up and down and up, and then breaks. And obviously, as you know, I trade. I will be taking this one up here on this ridiculous spike, and nice bit of deviation. And it's not that kind of level. We're looking a lot higher. It's going to reverse at some stage, and you'll be able to take some money. So you would take another one up there. These spikes down here, this one's kind of doing nothing. This third touch, the way this oscillator is, the second and third touch there is very likely to have some price movement back into these averages. So you can take a lovely scalp there. But you can trade numerous ways. This strategy, you can trade with the trend. You can trade against trend. And I do take trades, as you see in my other videos today, with the trend. So there we go. It's the same thing. Like I said yesterday, rinse and repeat. We do the same things over and over. And euro dollar here. and Nadex Spreads. You can use them and you can make some good money, I hope. So if you're interested in a group, send me an email. I did make this video a few minutes ago and I completely balls it up, so I've just tried to do the same video over again, so I've missed something. I do apologise. So I hope I've answered your questions. Yes, you can do spreads, of course, and they do work, but your preference would probably be to be going with a forex broker if you can, if you're in the States. I know the issues around that, and so you may be using Nadex Spreads for that reason, or the binary options. And as you know, with the binary options, when we look at taking these trades, we're looking at expiry times, etc. And you can see quite clearly here, I'm not going to be taking this trade because the time of day is 6 o'clock in the evening. I'm not going to leave any trades. I don't think they're available anyway, but you're not going to be taking these trades anyway on our binary options in any case. But if you're taking these other trades down here, then you're going to be making money on those ones in yeah, that's a beauty. That is a beauty. Yeah, so you can trade spreads. You can trade it pretty much whatever you like on them. You just got to be able to take several entry points and accept the fact. Good things with the binary options is your downside's limited. You are taking multiple options, but at least you know the maximum downside. Whereas, if you're taking forex and you do get a bit trigger happy and take these trades, you're then left in a position with it, psychologically it's rising quite steadily. You've clearly got very bullish oscillators, moving averages, and every time it's hitting the peak on the oscillator, you think it's going to reverse, and it doesn't. It keeps going. Psychologically, that's not good. And waiting for this to come into profit in the early hours is, trust me, not ideal. And it doesn't actually come into profit till I would have been up and trading anyway. So that's not great. That most likely, if I'm awake, I'll be closing that down for a small profit on those ones. So binary options, you've got the problem of the limited time frame, but your downside is at least capped. So it does help you in that respect. If you're starting, binary options with $100, you can make it work. But you just need to get unlucky, and that's realistically you're out, and you can only take a couple of out of the monies. Maybe get 3 out of the money trades on that. And yes, it is a high percentage win rate, but if your first trade is just unlucky and you get a pretty crappy entry or something, here I was going to say here is a loss. It's not. It's a win again. Binary options down here. If you've got 2-hour expiries, they're going to be good. Yeah, they're all good down there. So yeah, it's just how you want to, what assets you want to trade and what you're comfortable trading with. Some people have preferences. I'm not here to tell people what instrument they want to use to trade with. I'm just showing you the system that works. It works with any asset, or not any asset, any method of trading you want to use. So I use Forex, I use Bitcoin broker, and I use Nadex. So 3 different companies. I spread my positions between them, and the reason is that I want to diversify risk, especially in this climate. I don't know who's going to go bust or whatever's going to happen. I don't have all my money sitting in one account and then moving them between them. So that's where I stand. Let me know if you want to have a little chat or coaching, or I'm not going to call it coaching. I've got to find another word for coaching or something around that line. But if you want to have a chat about the way I trade, and I'll try and help out. And obviously there will be some kind of fee. I don't even know. Haven't even thought about it, to be honest. At the minute, I'm just trying to get some interested people together. And obviously it's got to be worth my time. I'll be taking time out of trading to help people, so it's got to be worth my time. But I want to help genuine people who need the help, not people who've just I have had, to be honest, a few people who have just got a bag of money and no real interest in trading. They just want to turn this money into a gold mine. It's just going to get wiped out. That's the reality. You need to have your head on your shoulders, and realize this is a business. Your trading is if you're doing it for a bit of fun, great. That's fine. I can help you. That's no problem. You can just look at the videos of what I've done so far, and that'll probably help you. If it's just for a bit of fun. But if you want to be serious about it and join the group, it's just gonna be probably a Facebook group and a chat group in amongst that on the phone. So I think I use WhatsApp here. I don't know what's our phone communication system works for everyone, but we'll find something out and we'll get the group together and we're going to make a lot of fun and make a lot of money. Okay, take care of yourselves and I'll talk to you soon.